Okay, so I want to demonstrate a quick settings feature on the Ford Mustangs with remote start on them. So you want to go down to settings, and under settings you want to go to vehicle, and on the vehicle you want to go to remote start, and on the remote start you want to go to duration. Now it comes from the factory with 15 minutes, or programmed for 15 minutes of remote start, and then it shuts off on its own, or you can change it to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I have it changed to 10 minutes because I think that's sufficient enough to warm the car up, depending on the settings inside with the climate control. But I think 10 minutes is sufficient. If you want to change it to 5, I guess it will save on gas, depending on how frequently you use the feature. Now, I guess in the summertime, 5 minutes may not be sufficient enough to cool the vehicle down, but 10 minutes in the wintertime should be fine. But again, it's up to you. So I have mine changed to 10 minutes, which is sufficient. So again, just to go over it one more time, you want to go to settings, and again, you're using the steering wheel controls for or to access this feature. So settings, vehicle, remote start, duration, and then you just click 5, 10, or 15, and once it's highlighted you back out, and that's how you change the remote start settings on your remote start capable Mustang. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful.